DTE, 0 days to expiration, options have exploded in popularity. Traders love them for fast profits and instant feedback, but behind the hype lies a side of 0 DTE that most brokers don't talk about. Hidden risks, structural traps, and mechanics that can quietly wreck your account. Let's unpack the dark side of 0 DTE. Why 0 DTE became so popular. 0 DTE options, contracts that expire today, are now a massive part of daily volume, especially on SPX and SPY. Why traders love them? Tiny upfront cost, fast-moving price action, no overnight risk sounds perfect, right? The problem is, the same things that make them exciting also make them dangerous. The hidden mechanics. Here's what your broker doesn't highlight. Instant gamma exposure. 0 DTEs are hypersensitive to price moves. A small tick in SPX can swing your options delta from 10 to 90 in seconds. No time buffer. With 0 days left, there's no theta cushion. You're 100% exposed to intraday volatility. Execution latency. Even a few seconds of delay between order routing and fill can turn a winner into a loser. Professional market makers have the tech edge. Retail traders, they're playing catch-up. The risk most traders ignore. The biggest risk isn't the trade. It's the behavior it encourages. Overtrading. 0 DTEs feel like slot machines. Traders take 10+ trades a day chasing dopamine. Underestimating leverage. A small move in SPX can wipe out 100% of your premium in seconds. Psychological burnout. Constant screen watching and instant P and L feedback fry decision-making. Brokers love it because volume equals commissions, order flow, and spreads. But for retail traders, it's often a treadmill to nowhere. How pros use 0 DTE, and you shouldn't. Professionals use 0 DTEs for one purpose: hedging or scalping gamma, not gambling. They run delta-neutral books, adjusting in seconds, using algorithms that trade hundreds of times per day. Retail traders trying to copy that with a mouse and intuition? You're simply outgunned. If you trade 0 DTE, do it for education or small-scale experimentation, not income. To recap, 0 DTE options move fast because they have no time value left. Execution speed, emotional control, and size discipline are everything. Brokers profit from your activity, even when you don't. Play them if you must. But know the dark side before you dive in. Thanks for joining us. If this breakdown helped you, hit like, subscribe for more reality-based trading lessons, and comment below. Have you traded 0 DTE and survived?